This is why you should never throw away orange peels. We all know that oranges are good for our health, mainly because of the large amount of vitamin C in them. They are also full of vitamins A and B, calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, soluble fiber, and other nutrients. After enjoying this fruit, most of us throw away the peels. But when we do that, we are missing out on all the health, beauty, and other uses that orange peels have. You can even add shredded orange peels and zests to your regular cooking. There are a lot of fruit acids and vitamin C just under the skin peels. The peels have even more phytonutrients and flavonoids than the inner pulp. So, use the orange peel for its many health uses, just as you did the rest of the fruit. 1. Improves skin tone. Skin marks and dark spots can be lessened with orange peels. They work as a natural bleacher that helps your skin tone. Also, the vitamin C in them keeps your skin supple, stops it from getting dull, and adds a healthy glow. It even guards the skin from harmful ultraviolet UV sun rays. Make a paste by mixing together 2 teaspoons each of orange peel powder and plain yogurt, along with 1 teaspoon of honey. 1. Put this face mask on your face and neck, and gently rub it in a circle motion. 2. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then wash it off with warm water. 3. Use this face mask 2 or 3 times a week. To make orange peel powder, dry the peels in the sun for about 3 days. 2. Fights aging signs. The strong antioxidants in orange peels fight off free radicals. These free radicals harm healthy skin cells, which make skin age faster, and makes wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. Also, the peels work as a great skin toner, because of their astringent properties. 1. Mix 1 tablespoon each of orange peel powder and oatmeal powder with enough honey to make a paste. 2. Put this paste on your face and neck area. 3. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then wash it off with cold water. 4. Use this anti-aging cream once a week for the most help. 3. Whitens teeth. Fresh orange peels can also take away the yellow tinge that builds up on your teeth. The peel has a compound called D-limonene that helps lessen teeth staining, especially smoking stains. Just rub the inside of an orange peel, the white part, over your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash your mouth and teeth with warm water. Do this 2 times a day until you like the look. 4. Aids weight loss. Orange peels can help you lose weight. Many nutritional parts of oranges are found in the peel, especially vitamin C. This antioxidant helps burn fat. Use orange peel tea in your weight loss diet, instead of coffee and sodas. To make this tea, 1. Dry the peels from a few oranges in a cool, dry place. 2. Put 1 tablespoon of the dried peels in 1 cup of hot water. 3. Cover and let sit for 10 minutes. 4. Take out the peels and add a little raw honey. 5. Drink 2 cups of this herbal tea every day. Note: make sure you use the peels from organic oranges and wash them well before you dry them out. 5. Lowers bad cholesterol. Orange peels can even help lower bad cholesterol in the body that raise the risk of cardiovascular disease, such as heart disease and heart attacks. The rich pectin, a natural soluble fiber, found in the peels, helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels. You can drink orange peel tea 2 times a day to help lower cholesterol. 6. Regulates bowel movements. Orange peels even boost digestion. The high level of dietary fiber in them helps control bowel movements, which stops constipation. They also help treat some digestive disorders like indigestion, gas, irritable bowel syndrome, bloating, and heartburn. After eating a meal, drink a cup of orange peel tea to boost digestion.